RToD. I didn't think I would be making a 100 subscriber video so soon. I started my first video upload in February of 2021. Now, mind you, 10 months isn't this, astronomical speed to get 100 subscribers. But I never really did this with the goal of getting a lot of subscribers. I was in my spare time tinkering with old electronics, and I wanted to share it with you. I wanted people to learn and experience and understand that things like this aren't junk. They're useful. They can still serve a purpose. And I think we're getting there. This has been a lot of fun. And honestly, from the bottom of my heart to every single one of my subscribers, and even those who are viewing and not yet subscribed, thank you. It really means a lot to me. And this has been a really fun journey along the way. So from me to you, thanks.